welcome to my YouTube channel Golden Pips by Pips and Profits. I'm Anup. I'll be analyzing chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my video first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and updates. So let's get started. So now we can see the economic calendar today for USD. Some data is available for ISM numbers, so it may definitely impact on gold and USD pairs. And after that, around 9:30 p.m. for Indian time, the Fed Chair Powell speech is also there. So market may be volatile at that time. And regarding news, you can see the dollar edge is low ahead of Fed's Powell's comment. So regarding the dollar, is there, and the DXY dollar index on pace of third straight losing week as rate prospects damn demand. Then definitely you can see the dollar index definitely is downward movement and still trying to survive in the position. So we can see on the charts how it is being to manage. Let's go to the chart. So this is your DXY chart, and yesterday I will tell about DXY 102.343 was the low side and the higher was 103.18. The DXY rejected from the dynamic resistance zone, which I already said yesterday only, right? It can reject from this zone and we can expect around 103.2, 103.5 somewhere, and it exactly rejects from this zone. So now you can see the gold chart in 1 hour time frame. We can see the levels which was high 2051.8 and yesterday made 2031.5, which I already said we can expect this 0.5 50% retracement about this area and then bounce back. Exactly the same thing happened and market bounced back up to the level of 2049, right? It's around 200 pips movement from this zone. Correct. So this was the expectation yesterday only, and I already told all the levels and all, and market played as per that only. And today, as you can see, the pressure is coming, the seller's pressure is coming definitely on the market, so it can push down more, right? What levels can achieve? The first level would be around the same, the 203132 somewhere, and the next level would be 2026 and 20. This area we can see today. Now let's move on the other charts, how market is reacting and how we made all these analysis and all. So this is our gold chart. Yesterday I already talked about this bullish flag pattern, and it is perfectly played. Market came down to this level 2031 and bounced back. We got pips around from this zone 2040, and we were in the selling from 2049 levels. Perfectly played and get the good profit from this year. And now what is happening? See, the market again pumped up to this zone 2049, and we already opened the position in selling side with the SL of 52 and 55 zone, right? See how it is playing now. It is under pressure definitely, and how market can play. See, this may be the fake out, which I already said in the group also, right? This may be the fake out until 52 doesn't break. Until 52 doesn't break, you can sell with the same as sell. Same thing we did, and we are in the good profit right now. We can hold this profit, and we already said in the group, like, if any H1 candle open and close below 39, then definitely you can see 3020 levels also for today. Correct. And the for buying side is already there, like buying side, which we can expect if during data or during war situation, which I already said, right, if it's a breakout and 2052 zone is there, if any H1 open and close above 2052, then definitely we can look for buy. So we can look for buy at retest of this zone, and we can go for that. I don't think it will happen, so let's see. It's a market, anything can happen. So we'll discuss about the next chart, what is playing around and what may be the possibility. See, these are the possibilities. Yesterday I already said like 3-1, it's bounced back. This was the predictions yesterday, and the market played as exactly up to that level, right? For 4-9 we already got from 3-1, so it's around 180 pips movement already got from this zone. Now the very big rejection from this zone, the same zone, and now, which I already said, if any H1 candle open and close below 39, you can expect 30 and further fall. Basically, this was a scenario which I already drawn, and yesterday also we talked about the same scenario. This is a strong resistance area, and market is rejected exactly from 2049, and it is playing well. Right now, market is standing around 2038 zone. Right, and expect some dynamic support is here. 2033 zone, that definitely some support. It might take some support and bounce back a little bit, and again came down to towards 2030 and further fall. If you look at this chart, this is the trend line which yesterday was also respected, and now market is below this zone, which I already said. If any h1 candle open and close below 2039, then we can add sell positions for 2030 and 2020, and the fresh selling also can be added from this zone if any h1 candle open and close below this 2039. Correct. So you can add the positions over here if market sustains below this zone, right? Then fresh selling also you can add it. And the TPs, which I already said, 2030 you can expect, and then further below 2020 or maybe down below, right? The targets is already mentioned over here. You can see that. While the bearish pressure seems pronounced, we can't discount the resilience of bullish sentiment in gold. It's essential to strategize for potential scenarios. A breakthrough above resistance or a retracement due to the impact of the ISM numbers on TXY, which I already said during data impact, and during your Powell speech. If market goes above 52, if that area breaches, then definitely it can go towards buying, but I am inclined towards selling side. So as we wrap up, remember that the gold market is a dynamic arena, constantly influenced by various factors. Keeping a watchful eye on resistance levels, upcoming news, and market sentiments can guide your trading decisions effectively. So I will end the video over here. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with ongoing analysis and insights for XAU USD markets. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next time, happy trading. Thank you.